Hello, I'm so excited to welcome you to 3 Hickory Hill Road in Westport. This is a brand new construction located on a very desirable cul-de-sac very close to the town of Westport. The exterior of the house fits in well with the neighborhood and it's traditional in a way. Once you get inside, there are very modern features that you can see, and this is a large entrance hall with 6-inch character oak, white oak floors, and a really dramatic staircase with the oak paneling behind and in front and the glass panels. It really makes a striking entrance. The extra large living room flows into the kitchen and also out to a stone patio, so it's wonderful for entertaining. 3 Hickory Hill Road is around 5,000 square feet and finished on 4 floors. It has a walk-out lower level, and the house actually has 5 bedrooms, 4 full and 1 half bath. The house is set on a beautiful cul-de-sac, and the property is 0.34 acres. And its location is what's so ideal. Town is right over there, a short walk, and you can see that direction. You have the tennis courts and the ball fields, and a quick drive to the beach and everything else that Westport has to offer.